Inisyon ang ginakanta sa mga galit.
Greenpeace ka mo, ay ka mo kapata. Sir, kasi ay ka mo sir pag-ugod lang na yung sir. Paliog lang na yung para mag-istorya na lang mo tawag.
Magpapalala kami ng message.
Agad lang na,
Natanggalin
sa mong lakyan mo.
Nilinisin namin yan.
Pero mali yung ginawa ni, it's not our part.
It's still part of Petrobank, part of an institution that's going to invest and destroy climate change and destroy
Dapat sir, dapat sa labas kayo private property, sir.
Ihatag ko lang. Ihatag ko lang.
Kasi ang kami, anak pa na power, they are the ones who
Yes, we did. We were there for 3 days.
Pero sila po yung sir. Sir, they supposed to receive it. It's not us, sir. I'm so sorry. I'm not authorized to receive that. I'm not...
We just want them to contact, well, to tell the Manila officers, sir.
Ma'am, if you receive this,
No,
tapos na
because
kami.
I'm not authorized to receive. If I'm authorized, wala tayong pag-usapan. By all means, I'll receive that. Okay?
Metrobank, one of the country's largest bank, is on its way to become one of the biggest contributors to climate change by investing on coal. Metrobank has been portraying itself as a responsible corporate citizen, but by investing on coal, this makes them irresponsible, unjust, and inhuman. Coal is the most dangerous fossil fuel. It contributes greatly to climate change, and it also affects the environment and health of communities living around them.